guys, I have got something super exciting to share with you today. I got a package in the mail from YouTube. And if you don't watch a lot of YouTube, you might not know, but once you hit 100,000 subscribers, you fill out an online form and you can apply to get an award from YouTube. It's a plaque. At the 100,000 level, it is a silver play button plaque. So I have finally reached my 100,000 subscribers. And I am so excited for this. I will admit to you that I have already peeked in the box. I had to just peek, right? But I'm gonna do an official unboxing for you right now because I feel like, well, I literally couldn't have done this without all of you. So I want you to be a part of this with me. So let's open it up. Very nicely packaged. There's a little card. It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement, and we want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." Well, thank you, Rick. Now, there's a little letter from YouTube. It says, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" I was probably so excited, you guys. Your 100th, your 1,000th subscriber, chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor you with this impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, and it's from the CEO of YouTube. So here it is, all packaged up, nice and shiny. It says, "Presented to Cutesy Crafts for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube." And guys, like, this is legit. This is so nice. It's metal plaque, nice on the background. And I am so excited. Like, you don't even understand how excited I am to have this. And you can see here, there's like the different levels. So I'm at the silver play button right now for 100,000. I believe for the gold, I need like 1,000,000. So we'll see if that ever happens. And the diamond, I think that's like 10 million or something. I'm not exactly 100% sure. So thank you guys so much. I feel like I'm giving like an award acceptance speech or something. I felt pretty stupid making this video, but I really wanted to show you guys, and I really did want to show my appreciation and express that to you. I get your comments all the time, and they mean so much to me, all the positive comments. There's so many that I honestly do not have time to respond to all of them, or I wouldn't have time to do any crafts. So just know that I do read each and every one of those nice, wonderful comments that you leave for me, and they always make my day, and I'm so glad that you guys are here to craft with me. This is so much fun for me, and like I said, I couldn't have gotten this award or done any of this without you. Thank you so much for subscribing and for following along on my channel, and for all the support and the wonderful things that you have to say to me all the time. I hope you guys all have a great week. Thank you.